Hi everybody and our students at home. Once again, this is Momentum Minds FS. We promise to be bringing you questions and providing solutions that will assist you and make you self-reliant when you are writing your exams. Look at this question. It's a mathematics question in JAMB, which is probability. The question says, what is the probability that an integer 1 is less than or equal to x, while x is less than or equal to 25, chosen at random is divisible by both 2 and 3. So, when confronted with this kind of question, what you're going to do is this. First of all, you have to understand this. 1 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 25. The meaning of that is that solution, it means the number is between 1 and 25. That is important. So that from here you can see clearly your conditions, the boundary, so that you don't go beyond where you are supposed to go. Now, the next thing is that when they say divisible by both 2 and 3, it means this number must be divisible by 6. Because 2 times 3 is 6. So it means number must be divisible by 6. Now let us count the number between 1 and 25 that are divisible by 6. We start from the numbers are 6, 12, 18, and 24. So, and total number between 1 and 25 is 25. So the probability now will give you number of favorable outcomes, then divided by total number of outcomes. So, number of favorable outcome is this 6, 12, 18, and 14, which is 4 of them. So, number of favorable outcomes will be 4 divided by total number of outcomes, which is equals to 25. The number of items there, that is 25. That's all. This is the answer. It is as simple as that. If you want to get more information on how to pass your exams, please, our YouTube channel is where to go. Just hang on, we're going to bring you more. Bye.